What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be showing you how you can start making money online with literally $0. This is literally like you were just broke, have nothing at all to invest and to learn anything, like taking a course or learning how to flip stuff or anything. So this is literally like bare bones hustling, no money. I need some money. How to do it, basically. So Gary Vee's talked about it a couple times, and I'm just going to kind of reiterate on it if you follow him. But basically, I made this cute little infographic thing, which I'll try to figure out how to make a download link so you can download it in the YouTube, like the video description thing, if I can figure out how to get it from here to there for you to get. But yeah, so basically, this is it. Step 1, go to craiglist.com, look under the free section. Step 2, which you can do either of these or both of these, is to join for free and then whatever your city is, Facebook groups. So there's actually dedicated Facebook groups to like give away free stuff basically in pretty much every city. So if I put for free Hopkinsville, which is where I live, I think I'm in one. Yeah, so I'm in one right here. There's another one right here. So this one has almost 500 people, and it specifically says no buying or selling. So it's just literally free stuff. So people just giving away free stuff. And then same thing with this one. This one's free stuff, or you can trade. So it's like half-half. But yeah, so step 1, Craigslist free section. Step 2, for free stuff on Facebook in your city, groups. Step 3, go get the free stuff and then sell it on eBay or Amazon, Craigslist, Letgo, Facebook Marketplace, back on Craigslist, back in another for sale group. There's a ton of different ways to get the free stuff and then sell it somewhere else for a profit, which should obviously be anything because you got it for free. You just have to take your time. So when you're broke and have no money, you have to have 120% hustle because you have no money to invest in anything, and you just really got to go out there and get it. So like if you look at the free stuff on, I searched a pretty large city relatively close to me, and you can see most of the stuff is going to be big. Most of the stuff is going to be, might be like kind of bad condition, like nobody's going to buy that probably. That looks kind of crappy. That's literally some trees. But look at this little desk. You could go get this desk and then put it on Facebook Marketplace for 15 bucks, must pick up, and then that's 15, 20 bucks you could get. This mirror, that's a pretty nice mirror. Somebody will pay 20 bucks for that. Ceramic tiles are actually pretty expensive. I've done flooring before. Those tiles are probably $3-4 bucks a piece. It's probably 50-60 bucks worth of tiles. I'm sure some contractor or somebody would pay 25 bucks for that stack of tiles. An ink cartridge, you could probably get that off. If these little speakers work, that's 15-20 bucks. A refrigerator, I mean, that's probably I don't know, probably a $500-600 refrigerator. If it works, you could easily get 100 bucks out of that, probably more. Here's a sink thing. I mean, it looks pretty nice actually. You could probably easily get 40-50 bucks. Piano, you probably get 75-50 bucks. So you can see the trend here is everything is going to be kind of big. You're probably going to have to go and get everything, but a lot of this stuff, I mean, this is a pretty nice looking couch. You could probably sell this couch for 75 bucks on Facebook easy. So, I mean, you're going to have to either get somebody with a truck, find somebody with a truck, find some way to go get this stuff, and go get it, unless you can. I'm sure there's small stuff on here that you could probably find, but it is a little harder. Usually Craigslist free is people trying to give away their big stuff because they don't want to deal with it because they're moving or, you know, whatever reason. So yeah, I mean, basically what your process should be if you literally have $0 and you want to start learning how to make money online is the first thing you need to know how to do is to flip stuff, because ultimately that's what every single online business is doing, whether you're selling like a course or whether you want to develop a software. or anything. You got to learn how to either flip products or flip your time to money or something of that nature. So Craigslist free, for free Facebook groups, and then flip that stuff on eBay, Amazon, Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, whatever. So that's pretty much it. So once you get a couple $100 from flipping stuff for free, what I would then do is move over into retail arbitrage, which is pretty similar, except instead of getting free crappy stuff that you really have no control over, you start going and shopping for stuff. So you can buy stuff in a little more bulk. It's a little more controlled. You don't have to have a truck because you can get small items in stores or yard sales or wherever. I would move over to retail arbitrage. So that's where you buy stuff for X dollars and then sell it for higher than you bought it for. And then once you make enough money doing that, I would go to online, which is where you order stuff from websites for X dollars, sell it higher. And then once you get good at that, I would move over to private labeling, which is where you buy stuff from China for X dollars in bulk and then sell them for, more than that. And then really the world is your oyster at that point. Once you can kind of move up those steps and, get good at every process. And the thing is, each step you go up, you'll be making more money. But yeah, if you literally have zero, this is what I would do. Once you make a couple $100, learn retail arbitrage. I have a course on it. I'm actually pretty active in the RA world, as it's called. I'm in some Facebook groups, got my own group. I have a course on it. It's $47. I'll link that in the thing below. So it basically teaches you A to Z retail arbitrage, where to go find stuff, how to list it, how to ship it, how to sell it, everything you need to know pretty much. Which I'm not gonna say I'm not gonna promote that, because obviously I just did, but that's not my main goal here. My main goal is to get you hustling and to get you learning money. You can learn retail arbitrage absolutely without my $47 course. It's just gonna take you more time to learn all the steps, and there might be some mistakes you make that are gonna set you back, cost you money that I made. So I can teach you how to avoid all that stuff and literally step by step what to do, where to go, where to shop, how to pack it, how to ship it, how to list it, and all of that stuff. So yeah, I'll link that. I'll try to find a way to link this PDF. If not, take a screenshot or something of it right there, I guess. But yeah, that's about it. So there's how to make money if you literally have $0 right now to start with. Hope you guys are out there hustling, making dollars. I know I'm trying to.